In this video, we'll recommend you the best water purifier to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Water Purifier 2022 is iSpring CKC1 Countertop Water Filter. Best Countertop. The iSpring's elegant and compact design won't take up too much counter space, and its coconut shell carbon block filter reduces fine sediment, chlorine taste, and odor. Easy to install, you'll need to replace the filter about twice a year. This water filtration system does not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, but instead keeps healthy minerals in your water while removing harmful chemicals. If you're looking for a filter that removes TDS, check out a reverse osmosis option, like our pick for best overall. At number 4. Aquasana 2-Stage Under Sink Water Filter. Best Under Sink. If a continuous supply of on-demand filtered water is a must, this one's for you. The Aquasana Clarium installs under your sink, and it's ANSA/NSF certified to nearly eliminate 77 different contaminants including 99% of lead, 97% of chlorine and chloramines, 96% of PFOA/PFOS, plus mercury, volatile organic compounds, VOCs. The two filters are small enough to not take up too much precious room underneath your sink, and they'll retain beneficial minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium for water that tastes delicious. The machine beeps when it's time to replace them. Since it comes with a separate faucet, it takes a bit of patience to install, but enthusiastic reviewers find it worthwhile. At number 3. Per Classic 11-Cup Water Filter Pitcher. Best Pitcher. Your PUR water will taste great thanks to a unique carbon water filter, which removes 99% of lead, 96% of mercury, and 95% of industrial pollutants, plus reduces chlorine, taste and odor, and 96% of trace levels of pharmaceuticals while leaving behind fluoride. Its flip-top lid for one-handed filling and comfortable one-handed pouring are great bonuses. This 11-cup pitcher is perfect for big families and/or lots of use, but it can be clunky for smaller spaces. A built-in electric sensor indicates when you need to change the filter. At number 2. Brita 6-Cup Metro Water Filter Pitcher. Best Budget. These are ubiquitous for good reason. Brita pitchers help reduce the amount of chlorine, copper, cadmium, and mercury, all of which may be found in tap water. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, the snazzy design makes the 6-cup pitcher a welcome addition to your kitchen and fits in any refrigerator, even small ones. Free of BPA, you'll need to replace your filter about every 6 months, depending on the frequency of use. Unlike earlier models, these now have an electronic indicator to let you know when it's time. At number 1 of the top 5 best water purifier 2022 is APEC ROES 50 Reverse Osmosis System. Best overall. Designed, engineered, and assembled in the US, this filtering system uses 5 separate stages: a sediment filter, 2 stages of carbon filters, a reverse osmosis filter, and a coconut fiber filter to remove 100% of chlorine, 96% of lead, and 95% of iron. It's an under-sink system, so it takes a bit of commitment and about an hour to install, and it is a bigger investment than a pitcher or countertop option. It's not perfectly efficient, though, and will waste a small amount of water during the process. But you will get incredibly clean water. The APEC water system removes as many as 1,000 different unwanted contaminants from the water. You won't find a safer option or better tasting water bang for your buck. Thank you for watching the top 5 best water purifier 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our water purifiers buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.